happy Tuesday. As a reminder, if you haven't already, make sure you go back and watch yesterday's video from Monday if you haven't already. Today, I want to kind of just go over our daily schedule. Now remember, this is not required, but this is just suggested for you and your families to follow to kind of keep us on track with school. So as you can see, from 9 to 9:30, that's our morning crew time. Okay, that's when we do our live Zooms with our class. From 9:30 to 10:30 is your hour of ELA time for you to log in, watch the videos and lessons, and complete your ELA work. From 10:30 to 11 is a great time for you to listen to music, play an instrument, whatever you want to incorporate music in your day. 11 to 12 is math. You're going to watch the math lessons and complete your math activities. From 12 to 12:30, take a lunch break. Make sure you are eating something nutritious and having a good lunch. 12:30 to 1 is your independent reading time, just like we would do in the classroom for 30 minutes. You can choose a book, magazine, anything you want, e-reader, have some independent reading time. 1 to 1:30, choose a math activity or website. You can go on IXL. Any math educational site is fine, or play a math game with your family. 1:30 to 2, get outside, get some PE, physical activity, and you can do that outside, inside, as long as you're moving and exercising. You definitely need to stay active. 2 to 3, family activity. So that could be a card game, a board game, any type of game with your family. 3 o'clock to 3:30 is our closing crew time. We're going to log back into Zoom in the afternoon and check back in with you to see how your day was. Okay? So that is just a suggested schedule. Now next, I want to go over our target from yesterday. This is going to be the same target all week long this week. So all of our videos will be this. So I can read historical texts that involve cause and effect relationships. I can also give examples of these relationships within the text. All of the texts we're going to read this week are historical texts. Remember yesterday we said those are texts that are about events that happened in the past. So everything you read this week will be things that happened in the past. All of these articles will also include cause and effect relationships. So as a good reader, you're going to be annotating and looking for the why or the cause, and then as a result, what happens in those texts. Okay? So now we're going to go over here and we're going to talk about what you read yesterday. Yesterday's lesson was the article, The Great Wall of China. So I want to go over main idea or the gist of what that article was about. The Great Wall of China is one of the 7 wonders of the world, and millions visit each year. It is China's most popular tourist attraction. So that is the gist, or what the article was mostly about. Remember, good readers always look for the main idea and those small details that support it. Within this text, there were several examples of cause and effect relationships, which is what our target is this week. I have chosen 4 examples that I thought were very evident in the text, and you should have found these as well. The first one says, the soldiers needed to live close to the wall in case of a surprise attack. That is the cause or the why. Then I drew an arrow here. As a result, the effect is that towns were built near the wall to house soldiers. So again, here's our why. As a result, what happens is the effect. Another example you should have noticed as you were reading and annotating was the cause. Thousands of lookout towers were built along the wall. As a result of that, soldiers could see when an enemy was approaching. Third example, historians continue to work on restoring and preserving the Great Wall. This is the why. Why, as a result, now people can continue to visit and enjoy the Great Wall of China. Last example, moats were built around several sections of the wall. As a result, potential attackers were unable to access the wall because they were protecting their land. So, the next lesson you're going to be reading Having Fun in Ancient Egypt. You're going to be doing the same kind of activity with cause and effect, but you're going to be reading Having Fun in Ancient Egypt. Same format. Good luck. Can't wait to read your work. Keep working hard. See you soon.